Hello guys, August 14th, what happened on this day in history? So this one is a new initiative and I hope you are seeing all the episodes. Before that, the most important announcement, the test series enrollments are ending. So if you missed it, I don't think a batch 3 we will launch very soon. It will take again 1 or 2 months, and after that it will be like just 6 months for you to prepare 2024. And that 6 months, obviously you can imagine the timetable will be very squeezed. You will have to complete your complete syllabus in that 180 days. So it is difficult. So now when you have close to 300 days, is the right time to study. Okay, don't miss out this chance. There is installment option, there is discount option, bigger packs like prelims plus mains combination pack and all you can pay in 4 months. Okay, August, September, October, November, till then you can pay it. That way split up is given. Everything is so transparent and so clearly given in the video that you will not have doubts also. So if you missed it, please WhatsApp this number and make use of it. Okay, if you're not enrolled into test series, you are already enrolled to some other institute, it is fine. You can watch our foundation, you can watch our daily editorials or other lectures. All these are complete free items. This is only about the paid thing which I told you that it is ending tomorrow. So please come and contact soon. Okay, now importance of August 14th, 2023. Too many important things are not there, but in Indian context, the Bombay High Court was established on August 14th, 1862. You know the high courts we have, like from north to south, if you see, Britishers had main areas like one was in Bengal, one was in Bombay, and one was in Madras. So the order in which the high courts and these things came also was almost like in order only, meaning first in Bengal, then first in Bombay, then in Madras. Okay, so that in spectrum we have taught you with the proper dates and proper detailing, who was the Viceroy or the Governor General that time. Everything is covered in a spectrum lecture. Okay. So here the Bombay High Court, it had both the original jurisdiction and the appellate jurisdiction, meaning in polity if you have studied, original means it is like cases will go there and it will do the proceedings, and appellate means through appeal also it can reach there. So this is both inspired from, like the original is obviously from the Supreme Court which they had established that time, not the present Supreme Court. They had another Supreme Court that time which Britishers set up. That was the inspiration for the original jurisdiction, and the appellate jurisdiction is derived from the other Diwani courts and Faujdari Adalat, this and all which we had in our Indian context. Those were the sources from which we derived the appellate jurisdiction also. So that is how the Bombay High Court is on this particular date. Now Japan, you know, after Hiroshima and Nagasaki were bombed, we studied already August 6th, August 9th and all the importance we studied. After that, they will surrender and the World War will end. So that officially, publicly, it was announced on August 14th, 1945, the surrender of Japan and the kind of end of World War, you can tell. Then August 14th, 1947, you know, the partition of India happened, and it is like remembered as a bad day also in India. Partition Horrors Remembrance Day, and it is an annual memorial day where we remember that the sufferings, the victims, the people, because when India was divided, it was kind of like Punjab was divided. Half of people are here and half of people are there. So many people suffered, and even now they lost their relatives and they are not in touch with them. Many problems were there. So it's a very sad day for India. But meanwhile, in Pakistan, it is for them the Independence Day today. Okay, so Pakistan's Independence Day and India's tomorrow. When I make the video, I'll tell about India's. So Pakistan Independence Day is on August 14th. And one more important thing is the sports related. First Summer Youth Olympic Games was inaugurated. Okay, there is this Summer Olympics is there, Winter Olympics is there. Within that itself, there is Youth Olympics. Okay, where 14 to 18-year-old youth will participate. That very first time, the first Youth Olympics, Summer Olympics happened on August 14, 2010. Okay, so these were the important things which happened in this particular date. Now, next we will see in the next episode. Thank you and have a nice day.